Abu Humayd radiyallahu anhu states, we along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to fight the battle of Tabuk and reached a woman's garden at Qura valley. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, estimate the fruit of this garden. So we assessed it, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself assessed it, and 10 wasq, 2400 kilogram, and asked that woman, measure the yield of the trees until we come back to you, if Allah Jalla Jalaluhu willed. We then resumed the journey until we reached Tabuk. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, tonight a strong wind will blow, so none of you must stand, and whoever has a camel must tie up its knees tight. Then a violent storm blew. A man stood up, so the wind blew him away and threw him between the mountains of Tay. Then a messenger of Ibn Alma, the ruler of Ayla, brought a letter to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he presented a white mule to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam gave him a reply and presented him a chador. We then came back and reached the Qura valley. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked that woman about her garden, saying, how much is the yield of your garden? The woman submitted 10 wasq dates. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, I want to leave early, and whoever wishes to leave early for Medina Munawwara should accompany me, and whoever wants to stay may stay. We set out until we reached near Medina Munawwara. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is Tabba and it is Uhud. This mountain has a love for us, and we have a love for it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, the family of Bani Najjar is the best amongst all families of the Ansar. Then a family of Banu Abdul Ashal, then the family of Banu Abdul Harith bin Khazraj, then the family of Banu Saida, and every family of the Ansar is better. Then Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu came to meet us. Abu Usaid said to him, haven't you heard that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam declared all families of the Ansar good and ranked us as the last of them? Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted. O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you declared all families of the Ansar good, but you placed us at the end in order of superiority. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, is not it sufficient for you that you have been counted amongst the best people? Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5907.